Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a gameplay video and I'm really just testing the capabilities of my new PC I built. I had some requests to see the capabilities of it regarding gaming performance, so I figured I would just go ahead and play a couple games. I got the EA client, what is it, Origin? Yeah, Origin. I downloaded Origin and then I went ahead and downloaded some games from there, playing them. I think I got Crysis on there. I also got the most recent game I have would be The Division 2. I'm going to have some gameplay footage of that. I will make sure to go ahead and include the parts list of my PC below, just to make sure you guys know what's in there exactly anyways. And yeah, enjoy the video.
Welcome to New York, version 2.0. What have they done? The city has an energy signature. Why is that? It's Cell. They're channeling energy from alien technology, running their entire global power grid off a single Ceph machine inside this dome. It can't be that simple. It really is, mate. You kill the power, you kill Cell. As simple as you like. No, the Alpha Ceph showed me a vision. We've been through this before. There's got to be a connection somehow. Prophet, the aliens are gone. You finished them off yourself, just a few waifs and strays left. No, there's something more. If we can just find a hint, somewhere here, a clue. Listen, while you were off hunting some super alien that didn't even exist, Cell were busy taking over the world. We need you back in the here and now, boss. We need you to help us stop Cell. There's more than your revolution going on here. I've seen this. Cell are toying with powers they can't begin to understand. Whatever they're doing, it's going to bring about the end of the world. We have to shut them down. Fucking right we do. Let's get moving.
The enemies have almost won.
I apologize for any discomfort. The system seems unstable.
This what happened when my dad tried doing this?
Your father interfaced directly with the atmosphere processor. That proved extremely hazardous. These structures could reveal its control center. System remains unstable. Doubling our power input might accelerate the process.
I'll give it a shot.
Wait!
Back off, or I will put you down!
Whoa! Easy. You've come this far. Just let it ride. I've been studying this tech for months. I don't know how you activated those glyphs, but you have to let them cycle through their...
All right, time to get off.
Don't like being sat on, huh? I know. Who am I? I mean, it's obvious who you are. I saw the ship swoop in. You're a Pathfinder. Was beginning to think the initiative just made you guys up so the rest of us wouldn't lose hope, but you're for real, huh?
Are you for real? You were going to tell me who you are.
I might just be the solution to all your problems. Well, look at that.
System has stabilized. I'm establishing a connection.
Oh, crap.
I know these things from Habitat 7!
Later! Just take them out! Keep targeting that one! They make little bots! Not bad. My first tangle with the Remnant was a lot messier.
The Remnant?
These monoliths, the Observer and Assembler bots, they're all the remnants of something much bigger. But that's too long. Ugh, I hate long.
detected.
I'm gonna wreck it now. Moving that way.
Serious trauma detected.
Get away! It won't last much longer.
Detecting additional hostile contacts.
What do you mean? How do you sign somebody?
I'll keep it safe.
Hostile detected.
We have to protect it!
Thanks.
That was the last one!
Supply room access unlocked.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more of my content, consider subscribing, and have a great day.